Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a new video and look at this. I got the Nintendo Switch. I got it yesterday at Walmart. It cost $300. You can see from here. I already took the Nintendo Switch. What? And it barely came on TV. You guys can see Nintendo Switch. I don't have a game for it yet. I want a game for it. I want Super Mario Odyssey or Mario Kart. I want Odyssey, Nintendo right there. I didn't get the neon one. I got not the, because remember there's another one that has these two controllers. This color. I don't want that. Yesterday at Walmart Black Friday, this is just any Nintendo Switch just left, and there's only two more. And then this lady came, like it took her about 20 minutes or 15 to get two of them, the two last ones. And so they said pick one. And I want the blue and red one, and she had one, and it was the last one. The other one was just two controllers, like this color. So guys, I'm gonna let you guys see the Nintendo. Anyway, you guys can see there, I have my Nintendo in here. I haven't turned it on yet. Oh, there it is. Turn on. Yeah, just log in. And put it back to sleep because I didn't need to take it up. I put it back to sleep. Let me just put it back to the thing. Guys, we're gonna get my parrot. I might do a baby birth video later on. But Eric Guerrero, if you're watching this video, I made this video because of you, because you like to watch my videos. Other people that like to watch my videos as well, huh, Mouse? Beat to the fairs, huh, Mouse? Mouse. What are you doing? What are you doing, the cute little thing? Really cute little thing. Come back. We're gonna get out. Get out, Moish. Put it right there. The dogs are right there. Don't go close to that. And my other birds are right there. You can see them? Wow, guys. Might be a good afternoon for me. Did you just hear that? My parrot. My parrot. He just talked. What do you want, little parrot? What do you want? You gonna bite me? No, he didn't. Birdie, come on, birdie. Birdie. Oh, he's too close to the camera. You're doing the fans. You're gonna scare people. Eh, come back here. Oh, you're biting me, you little punk. Eh. Come on, punk. Eh. Oh, I hate you. Let's give him some time. And I'm right there. What a little. Can't see anything. Oh, he came out. Good parrot. Good parrot. Good little birdie. I have my parrot on. I call my parrot, guys. Almost. Oh, my parrot, so cute. Hi, my parrot. Hi, mouse. Put the toy back. Oh, I see the problem. Oh, guys, I dropped it. Guys, I dropped the phone. So suck. Well, guys, on my phone, the timer's going off right now. Ah! Oh, guys, I poked myself. There I go. Don't go with it. Ow! I can't walk that much. Oh, give me that thing. Get that thing off. Oh, there. Stop being about. Guys, I don't know if I have time, but to show my favorite Lily Tender. Mouse, what happened? Do you like Nintendos? I bet you do. Yeah, huh, Mouse?
This is going to take some really great training.
Oh, come back. Come on, Parrot. Hey, he went off. What are you gonna do? Guys, I have to end the video.